Welcome to my class of cloud computing. Today we will learn about terminology used in cloud computing and cloud computing with virtualization. These are the topics which we will learn today. The cloud services can be categorized into software services and infrastructure or hardware services. In terms of maturity, software in the cloud is much more evolved than hardware in the cloud. A service consumer can automatically make use of the computing capabilities such as server processing time and network storage without requiring human interaction with each service provider. There are some terminologies which are frequently used in cloud computing. Hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is a combination of both public and private cloud. The critical data is stored in the private cloud while the rest of the data resides in public cloud. Second is IaaS. IaaS is infrastructure as service. This is the delivery of computing infrastructure such as virtualization as a service. In this scenario, the user is charged based on the usage. So, the heavy expense involved in the purchase of the infrastructure can be saved. Next is multi-tenant. When multiple users access the same public cloud. PaaS. 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 PaaS is platform as a service. This is the delivery of the cloud-based platform, a mix of infrastructure and software to develop and test applications developed. Private cloud. Cloud services designed for access by one specific organizations. The users access the cloud from within the organization's network. Next is public cloud. Cloud service where different users access the resources on the same server. However, the data specific to a particular user is restricted for other users in the private cloud. SaaS, software as a service. This is the delivery of software and any associated data such as management software, CAD, human resource manager, etc. through the cloud. Users access SaaS usually through a thin client using a web browser. Now we start with cloud computing applications. What are the different applications of cloud computing? Cloud service providers provide various applications in the field of art, business, data storage and backup services, education, entertainment, management, social networking, etc. In each and every field, the cloud computing application is inevitable. First is storing file online. Cloud computing provides a benefit to store and access the software with the help of internet connection to the cloud. The interface provided is very easy to operate and is economical too. Next is in video making and editing software. There are many softwares available which can access with the help of cloud. This software helps to create and modify the videos. The video create or modify are stored in the cloud itself and we can access anytime. Next is file converters. There are many applications which utilize to change to format of the file such as from HTML to PDF and so on. This software is available at cloud and access from anywhere with the help of internet connection. Next application is antivirus application. There is software which is stored in the cloud and from there they fix the system. All the viruses and the malware are detected and analyzed by the software and the system is fixed. They also come up with the feature of downloading the software. This is a diagrammatic representation about applications of cloud computing. Applications of cloud computing is in diverse field. It is used in file converters for storing file online, video making and editing software, backup and recovery, business processes, e-commerce application, antivirus applications. Business processes. Business management applications are based on the cloud service provider. The business utilizes the cloud computing to store the necessary data and all the relevant information. This information can be anything such as the personal data of the customer, analyzed record and many more. Next application is backup and recovery. Cloud computing can be used as backup option in which we can store the files, information and data. This data is stored, will be protected and provided much security. When the data is lost, the user can recover the data which he or she has stored in the cloud. So these are the applications. However, cloud computing applications offer various arts application for quickly and easily design attractive cards, booklets and images. Some most commonly used cloud art applications are Moo. Moo is one of the best cloud art applications. It is used for designing and printing business card, postcard and mini card. Another example is Vistaprint. Vistaprint allows to easily design various printed marketing products such as business card, postcard, booklet, and wedding invitation cards. Adobe Creative Cloud. Adobe Creative Cloud is made for designers, artists, filmmakers, and other creative professionals. It is a suite of apps which include Photoshop, image editing, programming, Illustrator, InDesign, Typekit, Dreamweaver, XD, and Auditions. These are the several applications in the field of art. Now, cloud computing has got some huge applications in the field of business. Today, every organization requires the cloud business application to grow their business. It also ensures that business applications are 24 cross 7 available to user. There are several business applications of cloud computing. Some of the examples are MailChimp. MailChimp is an email publishing platform which provide various options to design, send, and save templates for email. Salesforce. Salesforce platform provide tool for sales, service, marketing, e-commerce, and more. It also provide a cloud development platform. Chatter. Chatter helps to share important information about the organization in real time. Next is Bitrix 24 is a collaboration platform which provide communication, management, and social collaboration tools. Cloud computing allows to store information like data, files, images, audios, and videos on the cloud and access this information using an internet connection. As the cloud provider is responsible for providing security, so they offer various backup recovery application for retrieving the lost data. Google G Suite is one of the best cloud storage and backup application. It includes Google Calendar, Docs, Forms, Google Plus, Hangouts, as well as cloud storage and tools for managing cloud apps. The most popular app in Google G Suite is Gmail. Gmail offers free email services to user. Cloud computing in the education sector has become very popular. It offers various online distance learning platform and student information portal to the students. The advantage of using cloud in the field of education is that it offers strong virtual classroom environments, ease of accessibility, secure data storage, scalability, greater reach for student, and minimal hardware requirement for the application. There are different Google apps for education which are used widely for free web-based email, calendar, documents, and collaborative study. Chromebook for education is one of the most important Google's project. It is designed for the purpose that it enhances education innovation. Entertainment industry use a multi-cloud strategy to interact with the target audience. Cloud computing offers various entertainment applications such as online games and video conferencing. Today, cloud gaming becomes one of the most important entertainment media. It offers various online games that run remotely from the cloud. Video conferencing apps provide a simple and instant connected service. It allows us to communicate with our business partner, friends, and relative using a cloud-based video conferencing. Cloud computing offers various cloud management tools which helps admins to manage all type of cloud activity such as resource deployment, data integration and disaster recovery. Social cloud applications allow a large number of users to connect with each other using social networking applications such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. These are all social networking websites which allows active users to share file, photos, videos, status to their friend, relative and business partner using the cloud storage platform. LinkedIn is a social network for students, freshers and professionals. Now, virtualization in cloud computing. Virtualization is a technique of how to separate a service from the underlying physical delivery of that service. It is the process of creating a virtual version of something like computer hardware. It was initially developed during the mainframe era. It involves using specialized software to create a virtual or software created version of a computing resource rather than the actual version of same resource. With the help of virtualization, multiple operating systems and applications can run on same machine and its same hardware at the same time, increasing the utilization and flexibility of hardware. In other words, one of the main cost effective, hardware reducing and energy saving techniques used by cloud provider is virtualization. Virtualization allows to share a single physical instance of a resource or an application among multiple customers and organizations at one time. Benefits of virtualization: more flexible and efficient allocation of resources, enhance development productivity, it lowers the cost of IT infrastructure, remote access and rapid scalability, high availability and disaster recovery, pay per use of the IT infrastructure on demand, enables running multiple operating systems. Types of virtualization. There are different types of virtualization like desktop virtualization, application virtualization, network virtualization and storage virtualization. each of the different types of application virtualizations are having different usage. So based on the usage, the type of virtualization is chosen. Benefits of virtualization. What are the different benefits of virtualization? Different benefits of virtualization are security, economical, flexible transfer to data, flexible operation, eliminates the risk of system failure. During the process of virtualization, security is one of the main concerns. The security can be provided with the help of firewalls, which will help to prevent unauthorized access. With the help of virtual network, the work of IT professional is becoming more efficient and agile. The networks which implement today is very easy to use, flexible and saves time. Virtualization in cloud computing saves the cost for a physical system such as hardware and servers. It stores all the data in the virtual server, which are quite economical. It eliminates the risk of system failure. While performing some task, there are chances that the system might crash down at the wrong time. Flexible transfer of data. The data can transfer to the virtual server and retrieve anytime. The customers or cloud provider don't have to waste time finding out hardware drives to find data. With the help of virtualization in cloud computing, companies can implement cloud computing. How is cloud computing different from virtualization? Virtualization and cloud computing are two key buzz words that have really revolutionized information technology industry and the way it operates across the product development life cycle. As one forms the basis for the other, these two terms are often confused with one another when it comes to definition and functionality. The concept of virtualization forms a base for cloud computing by helping the latter in delivery of shared computing resources, data, or software either as a service on demand over the network. While cloud computing and virtualization appear to be synonymous, there are some basic difference between the two. At the same time, they are intricately related to each other to the extent that these terms have been used interchangeably. It is necessary to understand the scope of two technologies to identify where they are distinct from each other. The concept of virtualization forms a base for cloud computing. Maximum output with a minimum expenditure happens to be the trend in this fast growing world, and the startup culture gave a needed boost to that concept. In addition, technology revolution has given rise to consumer demand, thus creating a need for more number of product releases for the firms to compete in the market. Here is where the real challenge arose with regard to effective management of resources needed for the development, and hardware plays a vital role. The basic challenge that many firms report with hardware management is the high capital expenditure. So, when we learn that where is the distinction between cloud computing from virtualization, we find that in cloud computing, automated management is present, whereas in virtualization, effective server utilization is there. In cloud computing, there is a scope of scalability. In virtualization, it is easy server maintenance. Cloud is self-serving and virtualization is separated physical infrastructure. Cloud in the concept of cloud, it is pay as you go infrastructure, whereas in virtualization, infrastructure cost saving is present. So we can say that cloud as well as virtualization both are interdependent, but they are not interchangeable. Since in cloud, we can say that is a self-service, and in virtualization it is automated management possible with add-ons. However, the common factor is infrastructure as a service and abstraction of hardware from user interface. It means user is not aware about the hardware details which are being used. Thank you for watching.